Nikon has something new in the pipeline. There's no official name yet, no product shots, and definitely no confirmed specs, but a camera with the model code enthusiast just passed wireless certification. That's usually a strong signal that a product launch is on the horizon. What stands out is the inclusion of dual-band Wi-Fi, including 5 GHz support. That's a big clue. Nikon typically skips this feature on its entry-level models, so this suggests we're looking at something more high-end. Let's try to decode what this could be. Nikon recently launched the Z6 III, a solid hybrid with meaningful video improvements, followed by the Z5 II, a quieter release but still a worthwhile update. Looking at the registration codes for those cameras helps tell the story. The ZF was tagged N-137, the Z6 III was N-14, and the Z5 II was N-3-6. Now we're seeing N-410, clearly the next in line. This opens up a few strong possibilities. First, the Z7 III. It's been nearly 5 years since the Z7 II, which is a long time in tech terms. Enthusiast and pro-level lines are often refreshed every 3 to 4 years, so this could be the moment for the Z7 series to return. Alternatively, this could be something even bigger like a Z9 II. The Z9 debuted in late 2021, and while it's still a powerhouse with its stacked sensor and 8,000 capabilities, a mid-cycle update wouldn't be surprising. But there's also a third intriguing theory. This might be an entirely new model. While the Z7 and Z9 are strong in both stills and video, their designs still favor photographers. The addition of high-speed Wi-Fi hints at a possible creator or video-first design, something like a compact sine mirrorless camera that could rival Sony's FX series or Canon's R5C. If it turns out to be the Z7 III, here's what we could expect. The Z7 II had a 45.7 MP sensor, dual processors, and 4060 video, decent, but dated. A modern update could bring a next-gen stacked or BSI sensor with faster readouts, better low-light performance, and reduced rolling shutter. Nikon would likely overhaul the autofocus system too, especially after the Z6 II's impressive improvements. Subject tracking, AI detection, and overall responsiveness could be tailored for high-res stills and complex scenes. Video capabilities might also take a leap. While the Z7 isn't built as a cinema tool, it could still gain internal 6000 or RAW 4000 at 120 fps, waveform monitors, and other pro-level tools borrowed from its siblings. If they also fix ergonomics like upgrading the EV and giving it a fully articulating screen, the Z7 III could hit a sweet spot for hybrid shooters who prioritize stills but want capable video as well. Now, if we're talking about a Z9 II, that's a step into the flagship world. The original Z9 dropped the mechanical shutter and delivered some serious specs at a surprisingly competitive price. A refresh might push the boundaries even further. A 52 MP sensor, improved dynamic range, and even better low-light performance could all be on the table. For video, we might see 8000 at 60 fps, better heat management, and more robust codecs like ProRes, RAW-HQ. Autofocus would also evolve. Nikon has significantly improved its subject tracking since the Z90's launch. If they can keep that pro-grade build while trimming down weight or size just a bit, the Z9 II could be a dream tool for professionals on the move. Of course, this all assumes we're looking at a continuation of existing lines. What if we're not? There's still a gap in Nikon's lineup for a dedicated video-centric hybrid camera. A lightweight, full-featured body designed for filmmakers, with full-size ports, active cooling, high-quality internal recording, and seamless wireless workflows, could open up a whole new segment. The 5 GHz Wi-Fi makes more sense here, as it's ideal for remote monitoring, cloud workflows, or multicam production environments. One curious detail is that the registration was filed through a Chinese wireless agency. That's unusual, since most Nikon mirrorless cameras are made in Thailand. This might suggest a new manufacturing partner, a region-specific release, or even a limited early test run. If we go by Nikon's past behavior, a camera that appears in wireless filings usually becomes official within 2 or 3 months. That puts a potential reveal in August or September 2025, which aligns with the company's usual release patterns. The Z6 III came in the summer, the ZF in the fall. It all lines up. Bottom line, something big is coming. The presence of dual-band Wi-Fi means this is more than just another budget model. Whether it's a Z7 III, Z9 II, or something totally new, it's clearly aimed at creators and pros who expect high performance. Now we just wait for the official word. What would you like to see in Nikon's next camera? Let's hear your thoughts.